Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
Please, your name.
Um, my name is Lord Hilary ADABO.
Um, Lord, where are you from and what has been your story in terms of your career so far, your journey to where you are today?
I was born in Tamale. I grew up in Tamale. So my career started in Tamale basically. Yeah.
How do you find this opportunity to be here as Asante Kotoko? Most of the players say it's their dream to be here. How do you rate this opportunity of being here?
I'm really excited to be here. It's an honor. Asante Kotoko is not just a club. It's a club with rich historical cultural heritage. So it's an honor to be here. Yeah.
How did you receive the news of interest in you? And whom did you speak to in terms of the club's hierarchy? And how was the news like?
Basically, I think I wasn't really much involved in the negotiations, but my club contacted me and my representative as well. So that's how come I'm here. Yeah.
Where does Hilary plays on the field? What is his style of play? What is he bringing on board that is different from what you've seen before?
Okay. I'm a defensive midfielder, and basically I'm more of an energetic player, physically strong. Yeah, and that's it.
The task is for the team to do very well in the CAF Confederation Cup,
Yeah.
to win the league and other domestic trophies. Are you ready for the pressures that comes with it? And are you ready to help the team achieve all these targets?
Pressure is always part of the game. Yeah, and to be here, I know the tasks ahead, so I'm ready for everything that's going to come.
What is that unique trait about Hilary on the field? We have different players playing the same position.
Yeah.
What is that unique trait in you? And which player do you idolize as my mentor or somebody that you look to, you take bits from his game?
Um, as I said, I'm someone who is more of an energetic player, physically strong, and I'm much more aware of my surroundings as well. Yeah, and when you say an idol, to me, I don't really have a specific idol. I take inspirations from a lot of people. Yeah, I always look up to kind of people I've grown with, people that I have played with, and they are at the top there. Yeah, and people I don't want to be like, when you grow up seeing people that you don't really want to be like in the future. Yeah, that's where I take my inspirations from. Yeah.
So your inspiration basically comes from the fact that you just want to be successful and be yourself
Yeah,
as Hilary in the game.
that's right. That's right.
I know you're aware that most of the people of some players from your place that you are coming from, that is Tamale,
Yeah.
they've had things at Kotoko, and possibly you've had a word or two to have a conversation with them about the magnitude of the club you've signed for. Have you had that conversation, and how is that going to shape your stay over here?
And there are people around me who knows more into this club that I would be definitely taking advice from. Yeah.
From the outside, how do you see this club, and what do you think as a professional you need to do to be very successful from the backdrop of stories possibly you may have heard, and what the club represents when you are meeting them, the sort of euphoria, and then
Yeah. As I said, it's not just a club, it's a club with a rich historical background, you see. So there's a lot involved. You know, all the people here, their heart is so much attached to the club. So when you are playing for Kotoko, you are not just playing for yourself. You are representing a whole kingdom. You know, people whose hearts are so much attached to it. And I'm not just here to represent myself, I'm here to represent every individual, my family, and Ghana at large. Yeah.
What do you expect from the fans of Asante Kotoko?
Yeah, I expect them to kind of, you know, I would say they are the best supporters in Ghana. For sure, definitely they are the best. So I'm hoping to hear them cheer my name. Yeah.
Do you have a memory of meeting Kotoko and the whole atmosphere just got to you?
Yeah.
Whether it spurred you on or it made you feel a bit nervous coming to the game. Do you have an experience like that you can share with us?
Um, I would say last 2 seasons when I was still in Real Tamil United, we played at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. You know, it was somewhere around December, you know, Christmas time. But with the atmosphere and the lighting and everything, like kind of every player wants to play under such a crowd. You know, yeah.
So that's something that
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to see them lift the club, you know. Yeah.
Larry, you're welcome, and Kumasi welcomes you, and we wish you a happy stay and a successful one as such.
Thank you very much. And I'm definitely going to put up my best to represent this club. Thank you.
Thank you.